So, gusto mong maging profitable pero hindi ka disiplinado. Hindi pwede yun. Ngayon, paano ka naman magiging disiplinado kung hindi mo alam ginagawa mo? Hindi ka nag-practice, wala kang backtest, wala kang forward test, wala kang trading plan. Hindi ka talaga magiging disiplinado. So, bakit ka nag-aim na maging profitable yet hindi ka pa naman skilled to trade? Diba? Mahirap ang trading, hindi ito pang tamad. Hindi ito pang naghahanap ng easy money. This is another degree na you really have to study. Yung mga successful na sa field na to, no, mga profitable na, consistently earning, matindi pinagdaanan yan na paghihirap para lang marating kung ano yung meron sila ngayon. Basic lang naman eh. You have to be skilled and you have to be disciplined in order for you to gain in this business. So kung hindi ka pa skilled, definitely wala ka pang disiplina. And kung wala ka pang disiplina, hindi ka pa magiging profitable. You don't reach for level 3 when you're still level 1.